that's the killer tonight, Gary, for me and for all of us. We fought so hard, so hard as a club and as a team to get to this point. And even in the contest there in the first half, we were down 14-2, I think, at half time, but we weren't too worried about the scoreboard at that stage. We thought we were in with a chance, but we just got the second half horribly wrong. Horribly wrong. And we end up on a scoreline like that. So it's a really difficult one. There's a lot of emotion in the dressing room after that. And it's difficult to take and difficult to assess how much we have done this season on the back of getting beat like that in the major semi-final. I think we have. Yeah, we have. We've put ourselves in a position where we finished in the top four. We give ourselves an opportunity to win a semi-final, to get to a major final. But ultimately, we succumb to one of the two best teams. I'm not sure which one it is at the minute. We'll find that out next week in the competition, who are quite clearly at the minute, Wigan and Saints, the two best teams. And defensively, both those teams have shown. I know Saints have scored plenty of points tonight. There's some points there. What was disappointing for us to concede, but it was probably more the defence, and that's what happens. And that's where the next stage for us as a club is. We scored plenty of points this season, apart from tonight in games. But on the big stage, when it comes down to who's going to win the competition, the best defensive teams win it. And that's why last night's and tonight's games prove they're the two best teams. You quite rightly say, about the things we've been to. I think this was our 10th trip, across here, and it's the effort from the club, the whole club, the team, the players, the staff. That's why I'm really disappointed with I could have taken getting beat tonight. If we'd have gone out there and really put our best foot forward. But I thought we tried. I thought we really tried, and I thought we were physical enough there in the first half, and there was some great contacts. But ultimately, a great team like Saints soaked that up and hit you back. And clearly I'm disappointed with the result. But we need to reflect on the whole season and what we've done, what the club have done. To keep ourselves in the competition, what the owner has done. So lots to think about over the next couple of weeks. Massively, Matt. And that's what I'm saying. I'm not taking anything away from. I'm actually praising them. They are one of the best two teams in the competition, and they've been the best team in the competition for the last 3 years. And we're all trying to strive to get to that consistency and that standard on a week in, week out basis. And we've shown we can do that at times, but when it really mattered tonight, when the crunch came, when the contest was there to be taken, we fell apart. We pulled ourselves apart. We had a couple of blokes in the sin bin, which doesn't help. And Saints took the chances. So you're quite right. Where they sit as a club right now is above where we are, without doubt.